Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best safari baby stuff you can find, the Lambs and Ivy Jungle Safari Grey Plush Elephant, known as Jet. This adorable plush elephant is designed to be the perfect companion for your little one, offering both softness and safety in one charming package. Jet stands at 9.5 inches tall and stretches 13 inches in length, making it just the right size for tiny hands to hold and hug. What makes this plush truly special is its thoughtful design. Made entirely from polyester, Jet has velour ears and feet that add a luxurious touch, while the gray color scheme keeps it gender neutral, making it an ideal gift for any baby boy or girl. Safety is a top priority with this plush. Jet features embroidered black eyes and embroidered detailing around the flappy ears, which means there are no hard or small pieces that could pose a risk to babies. This ensures that Jet is 100% baby safe and perfect for snuggling during playtime or nap time. One of the standout features of this stuffed animal is its machine washable design. Parents will appreciate how easy it is to keep Jet clean and fresh, especially after those messy make-believe play sessions or unexpected spills. Lambs and Ivy is a trusted brand with a long history of providing high-quality nursery products. Founded and run by women in California since 1979, they combine modern designs with classic craftsmanship, ensuring each product is made with care and attention to detail. Whether you're looking for a cozy plush to add to your nursery decor or a soft, huggable friend for your child, Jet the elephant checks all the boxes. Its soft, furry texture invites endless cuddles, while the durable seams promise lasting companionship through all of your baby's adventures. In summary, the Lambs and Ivy Jungle Safari Grey Plush Elephant is a delightful blend of cuteness, safety, and practicality. It's the perfect size, easy to clean, and designed with your baby's comfort and security in mind. If you want to add a lovable touch of the jungle to your nursery, this plush elephant might just be the best choice out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.